Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, Adair County in southwestern Iowa, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgewater, or 13 miles west of Greenfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Fontanelle, Orient, Massena, Bridgewater, Greenfield Municipal Airport, and Nottoway Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Saturday for the following county: Adair, Iowa. A severe